Hello and welcome. In this video, I will present you a new tool for Builderall affiliates. So, I hope you are already a Builderall affiliate. That Builderall, you know its affiliate program, and so I don't have to explain. Just to present you this tool, which is like a leaderboard, a top of Builderall affiliates. So I will present you the interface. So at the top there is a navigation bar that you cannot see because of my advertisement like builderallrockstar.com, but it's behind it. So you go to the URL in the description. You can see for yourself. Just do all is a link to the home page of my site, so it's not in this tool. Okay. Then the second link is home. Home is the home page of this tool. Then the third link is about Builderall. And then when you go there, you go outside of this tool to present Builderall for people who come to this page and don't know about Builderall. They can go there. Then you have two drop-down lists. One is for the time period. So you can see 48 hours, 7 days, 14 days, 28 days, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. And 2019 it shows the leaderboard from the 1st of January 2019. And then you have all time. All time is the leaderboard for the beginning of this affiliate program. And this affiliate program started in 2017. So at the time it's only 2 years old. So all time is it shows all the stats from the beginning. And then finally the last drop down list is for language: English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Russian. Okay, so then in the header you have always this is a time period. So now it's from this year. Then you have a title, a description, and a button which says try Builderall for free today. When you click on it, there's a pop-up with a form which enables visitors to open a free Builderall account, to enter in the game, so they can open a new account, and once they open a Builderall account, it will show them this. I will show you. Yeah, you see an alert, a green alert. Congratulations, you have successfully created your free Builderall account. Now you can log in. So log in your Builderall account and it will open their dashboard, Builderall dashboard. Okay. So this is not important for us because we already have a Builderall account, at least one. But then at the bottom, you always have the 3 top affiliates of this time period. So here you can see Roberto Rodriguez, Andrew Monheim, Liam James Kay. You know Liam James Kay, the top affiliates who won the affiliate challenge from last summer, 2018. So anyway, you have for each one always the same, the picture. So the picture is either their gravatar. You know gravatar, when you associate your email address that you use for your Builderall account, when you associate this email address to a gravatar.com account, you can choose which picture to show. And that's the only way to change your picture or to display a photo of you in Builderall is to use Gravatar and your email address in Builderall. So for those who have made this, there is their picture. And for the others, like Andrew Monheim, I've put a random avatar picture. Okay. So after the picture, you have a sign, an icon of a battery, a phone battery. And this is a ranking that I made for this site only. It shows the performance of this affiliate at the current time. How do I calculate this? Is I take the performance in terms of sales from the 28 last days, and I compare it to the 3 months, the last 3 months. If the period, the recent period of 28 days shows a better performance than the 3 last months, then you have a higher, this one shows that the battery is full. And if it's around the same, in fact, I calculate the number of sales per day in the 28-day period or in the 3 months period, and I compare this, the number of sales per day. And if it's around the same, then you will have half full or half empty. But if this recent period is very low in terms of sales per day, compared to the last 3 months for this affiliate, if it's really low, then it can be empty. It means that currently this affiliate doesn't perform very well. So this is an indicator to show the performance of an affiliate. It doesn't matter, it doesn't depend on the time period of this leaderboard. It's a performance indicator for each affiliate the same. You can have a full battery if you sell if you have sold 5 accounts, and in the last 3 months yes, I hope you understand, and it doesn't matter, you can understand after. And then you have 4 icons: Google, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And when you click on them, it just shows the search page for each service with the name already inside. So you can look for Roberto Rodriguez on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Google. This I made it, and it's also in the leaderboard. It's just to help you research what affiliates are doing online. It's important. This tool is for us, for each affiliate, to make it easier to do some research on what other affiliates are doing, and especially the top affiliates, the one who are getting good results. And it's not to copy one of them, it's more to do a compilation and analyze common points of each. For instance, if you look at a dozen top affiliates, and you look at what they have on YouTube, what they have on Google with their name, so you can make a picture in your mind of what the top affiliates are all doing, because they are not all doing the same things. But if you realize that each one have an active YouTube channel, or each one use a call to action to capture email leads, then you can write down and make your own ideal avatar, the perfect avatar of a Builderall affiliate. And you will write, okay, need to have an active YouTube channel, need to collect emails, need to do that, and so you have some points of the perfect avatar of a Builderall affiliate, and you will try to be this, to match closely to this perfect Builder affiliate is not about copying what others are doing. It's about knowing what should you do to be to hope to be a top affiliate of Builderall. Is to improve yourself. So under each one you have a button which says explore and the name. And this button is the same as if you click on the name in the leaderboard. What it will do, it will show, so I click, it will show in the header all the information about this affiliate, all the information that this tool has on him. So all the time periods. It's an easy way to look for Roberto Rodriguez in all the time periods. Easy way. So you can see the last 48 hours, he made 3 sales, got 9 leads. You can look, and you know this battery, phone battery is full. Why? Because we can see that in the last 28 days he made 165 sales, and in the last 3 months he made 210 sales. So this means that in the, you understand, in the last 3 months he made 210, but only in the last 28 he made most of it, 165 sales, only recently. That's why he's really he has full battery, because it's now in the last 28 days that he's been very active. He's getting very good results compared to all the last 3 months, or even the 6 months, or even all times. You know, you can see all times. So since 2017, maybe he was not an affiliate at this time, but I mean, in all the statistics of this tool, he made 400 sales. So in the last month, he made almost half of this in the last month. So it's full. He's really at his peak performance for himself. So now you understand this icon, what it means. And this icon, you can find it then in the leaderboards for all periods. You can find it here. So you see. So this icon has nothing to do with this leaderboard. This leaderboard it's only showing the top affiliates for since the 1st January 2019. That's it. So here you have a star. It's because we are on the page dedicated to Roberto Rodriguez, so it helps you find the affiliate in the ranking. You can search. So if I search for James, it will show me all the affiliates which have James in their name. And here it's me, James Collin. I am 112. My rank is 112 since the start of the year. It's okay on 500 max. It's okay, not too bad. But you know, my battery life is only half, which means that in the last month I didn't perform very well compared to the last 3 months, about the same. You know, I have no peak. At the moment I am normal. Okay, so you can search for this. What can you do? You can order this by names, by number of leads to see. So I will explain to you each column. The rank, okay, the rank is made based on points. I will explain to you what are points exactly. So the rank is like points. Name, okay, so you have picture, a link to the page dedicated to this affiliate, and that's it. A star if you are already on the page for this affiliate. Then you have the smartphone battery icon, the Google, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube searches, the same as here. And then you have leads. Leads are email leads. I mean, there are people who opened a free Builderall account or a paid Builderall account, which they are leads in this affiliate. You know, in a Builderall, you can look at your leads, contact them, and so in this period of time, so since the 1st of January 2019, he collected 500 leads and he made 162 sales. And here you have the percentage, the conversion percentage. So you can see that he converted almost a third of his leads have converted into paying customers. This 32 is very high, it's very good. It's a good conversion, especially when you have hundreds of leads. It's especially true because it's easy to have a high conversion percentage if you just contact people and when they are ready to buy, you send them your affiliate link. Then you will have a conversion rate of about 100%, a little bit less. It's easy this way. But when you collect hundreds of leads and they convert at this rate, it's good. It means you should continue and collect thousands of leads because the sales are what matter in the end. So the conversion rate is very good. So lastly, you have points. Points are based on sales. And at the bottom, you will see an explanation. It says points. You get 2 points for a Builderall business plan and 1 point otherwise for web presence or digital marketing plan. 1 point. And recurring commissions also add points. So this means that, for instance, if you take the last 6 months, the number of points will be very high compared to sales because people who became your Builderall leads 5 months ago and they stayed on Builderall, they paid maybe 5 times. So each time they pay a new month, you get points on depending on which plan they have. So you understand points. And the rankings are based on points. So if we want to try to see all time, it will show the top affiliate and the numbers are really high. All time, Liam James Kay, Alex Friedman, Chad Bartlett. Finally, so you can see the sales. Liam James Kay has 1,000 sales on this account. 1,000 sales, and in terms of points, you have 5,000 points. So it's crazy. And he has overall, he still got a good conversion rate of 22%. It's good. But I say it's good because me, I have 2% or 1% because I collect leads for anything. Hey, come on, come in my lead list because after I will be able to message you, to send you a message. So that's why I say everybody come on board, and my conversion rate is very low. At the bottom, you can see the total. So the total of so 500 in this list. So you can go. You have navigation here, pagination. So you can look at the list, and you have 500. This is number of contact all time, almost 100,000 new leads coming from the affiliates. In terms of sales, nearly 18,000 sales, and the average conversion rate is 19%, which is good. It means people it's okay. 1 out of 5, quite good. And that's it. It's very simple, very simple tool. It's just easy to use with the months, and it's a research tool for yourself in order to improve your game in the Builderall affiliate program. But to improve your game is not only looking at the leaderboard, it's researching each affiliate, start to know them, maybe subscribe to their YouTube channel and study what they do, and make a compilation, analyze what common traits they have, and then you build your perfect Builderall affiliate avatar, and you try to be this perfect affiliate. That's the way to improve your game, by doing that. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye bye.